Verifying your Stripe account is essential for accessing all features and ensuring secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Follow the prompts to set up your account. Step 2. Provide business information. Once your account is created, you will need to enter information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and type of business entity. Make sure all details are accurate. Step 3. Submit personal information. Stripe requires personal information from the account owner, such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number or equivalent. This step helps verify your identity. Step 4. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload any necessary documents that Stripe requests for verification. This may include a government-issued ID, business registration documents, or bank statements. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for Stripe to review your application. This process can take a few days. You will receive an email notification once your account is verified or if any additional information is needed. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your Stripe account. If you encounter any issues, refer to Stripe's support resources for assistance.